After the fish carcass is cleaned, people use sharp knives to classify the fish meat. This is the most unique step in the tuna processing process. Each attractive red fish meat is separated into balanced pieces of meat which have a darker red color than beef. After sorting, tuna meat pieces will be packaged and distributed at food stores. Tuna meat contains nutrients that are beneficial to health. Rich in fat, DHA is good for the brain health. Ice and especially tuna dishes are very suitable in the diet of those who eat. Nutrition experts recommend that we consume a moderate amount of tuna meat in meals to ensure nutrition in the body. Its massive grab bucket can excavate a large amount of material and dredge hard substances, surpassing SPT 100. If you want to split the biggest of the big logos in a high production environment, you'll want the HF 800 2-speed cone splitter from US Pride. A 2-speed motor lets skid loaders, wheel loaders, and reshape the land with the formidable blade. The U-shaped blade is the heart of the machine. In its straight position, it is built to move mountains of dirt and easily folds into work even in tight spaces. The soil mix system by cutter creates a homogeneous mixed mass, allowing the cutter head to sink into the soil effortlessly under its own weight. Effort 2055 model is part of the big crane range, belonging to 30 to 300 TXM lifting class. An excavator brush is a specialized attachment used with excavators to cut vegetation and remove unwanted trees or stumps. The cutting head is designed to rotate 360 degrees and can be adjusted to various angles depending on the job. The paint of the metal roofing sheet isn't scratched after the bending process. Guys, wanna see some magic? Watch closely. With press brake, bending complex parts has never been so easy. The hydraulic swagger only needs a moment to assemble the wire rope slings. For large objects like this, we need a dedicated automatic wrapping machine. The grass excavator cuts through large chunks like slicing butter. Share your impressions about this powerful machine that created this giant spring. Shoemaking seems to be a purely manual craft, but machines can still accomplish it. The computer screen undergoes a rigorous stress test. If Thor's hammer were made of hydraulic steel, this must be the process to create it. Those hot red spots are indeed glass bottles of the future.